Hi, my name is Darlene Messiano, real estate broker owner at Remax Titanium in beautiful Clermont, Florida. Just a short drive to all the Disney attractions. I wanted to share with you this beautiful listing that we have in a neighborhood called Kings Ridge. It is a 55 and plus neighborhood with tons and tons of amenities. We're talking basketball courts, golf courses, spa, like hot tubs, and pools, community pools. Beautiful clubs that you can join and meet great people. The list goes on and it will all be in my video that I'll send to you. But here is a 2-car garage, 2-bedroom, 1 plus a den, 2-bathroom. So come on in, over 1,400 square feet. So here's the beautiful landscaping. Kings Ridge takes care of all of the grass, the reclaimed water for the irrigation. They take care of your cable and lots of other pluses. They take care of the mulch and all of your hedging area in your landscaping. As you enter here, you have an upgraded storm door, which is so nice to have. And during the past hurricanes, there was no damage at all to the home, so you're in a really good area. So as you enter in here, this would be your entranceway. You notice the vaulted ceilings, so the cathedral ceilings. And you have noticed the lots of shelving up top for you to put all your knickknacks. This house is immaculate. You just move right in. All of the carpets have been professionally cleaned, and the house has been professionally cleaned. Over here, you have a separate area where you have your guest bathroom with the new vanity light, and then this is your second bedroom. It has a closet over here, it has an area to put some things up top, and all of the bedrooms and throughout the home have really nice fans that you wouldn't have to change. And they also have the marble wood sills, and beautiful light comes into this room. Over here is where you'll be entertaining. So this we would call the den, the study, a guest area. You could put a day bed in here. You could put a Murphy bed in here. You could put a barn door, or you could put doors in the front. Whatever you'd like to do, whatever you need for your home. But you do have a beautiful fan in here, and it's plenty of room in here to do whatever. You can make it a sitting room, whatever it is that you'd like to use. This would be your dining room area, so you could eat here and have guests here. You could go out and have a longer table if you need to have extended guests and you need to add tables. So it's plenty of space to add on if you needed to do so. Over here is the kitchen, and the kitchen is nice and large. We have Formica countertops and white cabinets throughout. But you'll notice we have a double sink, porcelain sink, beautiful stainless steel faucet, and tons of cabinet space. You have a stainless steel stove, LG stove, and an LG microwave, and a white Kenmore refrigerator. You could also fit a very small little 2-seater table here if you wish, because here are your washer and dryer, and they do convey with the home. So they stay with the home, a washer and dryer, and they're both Maytag items. You also have cutouts up top, and these are also vaulted ceilings in here. And the nice thing is with this kitchen is it's so open, and you can also pass through over there, but you have beautiful ceramic tile that's diagonal, which is an upgrade. Here is your 2-car garage with you have some storage area. Now the roof is 10 years old. The roof is 10 years old, 7 years old, and then the AC unit is 10 years old. I apologize for that. And then you also have your hot water tank here, and here's your AC unit and your electrical box, but you also have more storage here. But this is great to have a 2-car garage in this neighborhood, because there's a lot of homes in here that are only a 1-car garage. You also have storage up here in the attic space. So you could even fit 1 car plus a golf cart in here, because you could use the golf cart and use the path and go right to Publix, right to the restaurants, Walgreens, everything is right here near Kings Ridge, where you can just take your golf cart and go and have some fun. Now over here is where your family room is. This is an extra large family room. So you have this huge wall here where you can put your TV set and your fireplace or whatever it is that you want. And then you can put your couches this way, or you could also face this way if you want to go on a diagonal and just put the couches that way. So there's lots of different options for you to use to place your furniture in this family room because it's nice and large. You have a lot of options. You have a huge big window. You do have a beautiful fan in here. And the nice thing is that these sliders open all the way up. So this is also an upgrade that you can enjoy, like opening them all up. And then you do have the blinds too. And then in here is a beautiful covered patio, screened-in patio with a fan. It's a really nice size, and you have lots of privacy with hedges, and you have really, you have lots of privacy here. And then over here is your primary bedroom. What's nice about this extra large primary bedroom is you have the sliders that you can go out right from there to your screen room. You have a beautiful fan here. You can easily fit a king size bed in here, no problem, with 2 end tables. And then in the bathroom, you have a vanity, and you also have vanity for makeup, and you have a step-in shower and toilet. And tile all throughout. And then in here is your walk-in beautiful big closet. Okay, I think we showed you everything. If you need to see this property, please do not hesitate to call my office at 352-241-6363. My personal cell is 352-396-0734. And we're available for you at Remax Titanium. And then if you need an extra video on all of the Kings Ridge amenities, please reach out and we'll be happy to share that with you. Thank you so much, and you have a beautiful day.